How to get the blue color on Messenger icon. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get blue color on your Messenger icon. So if your Messenger logo has the classic look and you want the new blue look on your Messenger icon, then just follow these simple steps. And without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Play Store, and once you have opened the app, simply tap on the search icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now tap on the search bar and simply search for Messenger. And here, as you can see, I have already updated the Messenger app, but here you'll be provided the update button. So simply tap on that. And after that, simply wait for the installation to complete. And once updated, you can check if the Messenger icon has turned to blue. As you will know, in 2025, Facebook Messenger underwent a significant visual transformation, reverting to its classic blue and white color palette. And with that, check if your Messenger icon has turned blue. But if it's not turned blue, it can happen because of some glitches. So you can simply wait for it to turn blue, or you can simply uninstall the Messenger app, and once you have installed it, you can simply install it back again and see if it has turned blue or not. And that's it. That's how you can get the blue color on your Messenger icon. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.